Hello students, welcome to Prahlad Rai Dalmia Alliance College of Commerce and Economics. I would like to congratulate you that you have got the admission in our esteemed college. This is the tutorial video regarding how to fill the FIJC admission form, right? But before that, in the previous video, we have already instructed that you have to go to the government online website and you have to click on the proceed button. I hope you must have seen both the videos which have been uploaded before this video regarding documents, regarding the steps of admission. So for that, now for filling up the form, you have to visit our college website www.dalmiaalliancecollege.ac.in. Okay, so students, as soon as you will click on this website, you will see this page, this web page. Alright, so here you have to click on junior college. So then you'll be directed here. Here you have to just click on admission FIJC. So you will see the 4 tabs over here. Right now you are watching this video in how to apply, and then there's an admission form link, payment link, that is fees payment link, and the prospectus of the college. So here you have to click on FIJC online admission form. So you will be directed to this page, right? So on this page, the first option is fill online form. So here you have to click for filling up the admission form. So the online students have to fill this form who have been allotted this college through this government centralized online admission process or merit list. Okay, so start filling up the form like course applied, you have been allotted, aided or unaided. So for example, aided, government online application number means part 1 part 2 number. So in the center the bold application number is written, that you have to mention. Fill the form in the caps locks. For example, I'm filling up the form. My surname is Mehta, Dipali, here Parag, mother's name is, okay, then gender, nationality Indian, okay, mother tongue you have to mention. Aadhaar card number, student's Aadhaar card number you have to fill, and that the same Aadhaar card you have to upload also. Then local address, mention your address. Then date of birth, so click here. So you have to click on the year again to get your year. For example, your year is 2005 June 21st, so that will be your date of birth, will be automatically will be presented over here. Don't forget to click on the year, otherwise it will select automatically current year, that is 2020, right? And once the form has been submitted, it will not be edited. So I just want to mention here Kandivali West, place of birth, permanent address, it's the same, it's been copied, but if doesn't get copied then you have to type it. Okay, caste category open, okay, then subcaste category also will be open. Okay, now if you select reserve, right, then you have another options like SC, ST, VJA, NTB, NTC, NTD, SBC, OBC, SEBC, EWS, right? So if you are selecting this, then you have to upload the proof also for the same. Right now I am selecting open, subcaste is also open. Now social reservation is related to Divyang, ex-servicemen, freedom fighters, sports, cultural, orphan, project affected, earthquake affected, or wards of the transferred employees. You have been allotted the seat under this category, then you have to compulsorily attach the document for the same. I'm not choosing anything right now. Religion, blood group, I'm just typing it, be positive. Hobbies, you can just type. Then if you want to join NCC, NSS, I'm saying no. Sports participation, you can mention co-curricular activity. If you are interested, you can mention your mobile number, your parents' mobile number, okay, then my email address. So you have to type your email address also properly. Okay, if you will not type it properly, it will not get accepted. Then father's occupation, say for example it is business. Then father's organization, you have to write the name of your, for example, Puja Stores on SV Road, Malad West. Mother's occupation, if your mother is not working, you have to write homemaker. Then in organization and in office it will be applied NA. Annual income, say for example it is 5 lakh. Okay, guardian's name, if you are not staying with your parents, then you have to write your guardian's name. Otherwise you don't have to mention the guardian's name. Relation with the applicant, that means guardian's name which you are putting over here. Okay, so you have to mention the relation that you mama, chacha, whatever you are. Okay, so then accordingly that person's relation have to be defined over here. Okay, if you are filling the guardian's detail, then if not, then move ahead. Native place address, I'm writing over here Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Okay, then subject, the first is IT or none. That means if you want to go for IT, because IT will be allotted on the merit basis. Right now you will not be given directly IT, so you have to select it, and accordingly merit wise the list will be put out, and then you have to pay the fees for the same. Okay, so I'm selecting IT right now. Then I want SP, then I want Hindi. If I'll not get IT, then I want Hindi. Okay, or else you can select Marathi and French also. Okay, so this choice is yours. Then last exam appeared is SSC Board of Exam, Maharashtra board, and if you belong to any other board, mention that. If for example it is ICSC, CBSC, IGCSC, IG board, okay, anything that you have to mention. Exam seat numbers and 1 2 3 4 5, whatever your exam seat number is. Last school attended, passing year is March 2020. Mark sheet number, if you have got the mark sheet, then on the right hand side you will see this number. If you haven't received the mark sheet, then mention over here 000. Total marks 500, marks obtained 400, so percentage will be 80. This all you have to type. Okay, because once we have filled up the form, directly directing us to select this, but you all have to type all this information and type it very carefully. Now this is the whole patch where you have to upload your photograph, signature and documents. So in the first video itself we have defined that what documents you have to keep ready, right, in your desktop or a mobile. So whenever you are saving all those documents, or when you are scanning all those all those documents, you have to scan it and rename it with the proper name of the document. Like if you'll see, if I'll choose over here, see here I have just prepared a separate folder in my desktop, my documents, where I have kept each and everything ready with the proper name, so I'll not get confused that which document I uploaded and which not. Okay, because when you scan it, then the file automatically gets saved by its number. Okay, so in number you will get confused. So once you save the document, then again go there and rename it, that this is your mark sheet, this is your LC, this is your parent signature, this is your own photograph, or SSC mark sheet, or residence proof, or Aadhaar card, or part 1 part 2 government online form. Everything just rename it properly. So now I need to upload my photograph over here, so I'm uploading it. Done. I need my signature, so I have just kept its signature. The parent signature, I have given the name parent signature, so I'm quickly uploading it. See, if the things are ready, you can do it very fast. Leaving certificate I uploaded. Mark sheet, SSC mark sheet I uploaded. Part 1, so that's ready, I'm uploading it. Part 2, that is also I'm uploading it. Aadhaar card, so that is also I have scanned, and so then residential proof, so I'm selecting it. Alright, then caste certificate and social reservation, for both I have not selected anything. If you have selected, then again you have to add these two documents as well. Okay, but that was not there in my case, so I'm not going to upload any documents here. Now declaration form to be filled by girl student only, right? So name of the declarant, so here I have to mention parent's name, that is I will mention over here Parag Mehta. Okay, name of the first child, for example I am the first child in the house, Dipali. Okay, my again date of birth I have to select the way I selected earlier, and now I am in class FIJC, I'll be admitted, right? Then second child, for example I have a brother, then I have to again go for his birth date, select here, so will be redirected. For example he is in 2008. Okay, alright. Then class, he is in class 9th. Okay, and we are the two child only, so that is okay. If you are 3 4 5, then accordingly, but the student who is filling up the form, Okay, that girl child name should appear at the proper position because we need ration card copy as well. So now we are the two siblings. Okay, so I've written that way. The first is my name because I'm the elder one, and then the younger one, right? But if your name is on second position, third position according to your siblings, that way only you have to write the names as per the order given in the ration card. Okay, so here you have to upload the ration card. So be careful that while scanning the ration card, when you scan the document, you have to scan first and last page together. Okay, and then you have to save it. So see here, I have kept the ration card ready, right? So I have uploaded over here because we need both the things, first and last page of the ration card. Till 5 siblings we have given the space, so you can write in the same order. जो घर पे सबसे बड़ा है वहां से लेकर छोटे तक का सबका नाम लिखना है, सभी भाई बहनों का नाम लिखना है. Alright, done. So now I'll click on submit. See, it's blur. Okay, so don't get confused. It will take some time and then it will be submitted and then it will direct you to make payment, because for this form you are supposed to pay 100 rupees. Maybe it can take longer than 1 minute also, as it's a heavy form. Due to the documents which we have uploaded, it will take some time. See, it has started processing. See, it has redirected me to make payment. So I'm proceeding over there. See, so the payment summary has come. Now I have to proceed. See, 100 rupees I'm supposed to pay. So be ready with your debit or credit card. See, you have been directed to that payment page. So select, there is a credit card or a debit card, and select the card option over here. For example, mine is Rupee card. Then go for pay now. Then so you'll be directed to this page. So enter a card number, name as per the card, expiry date, CVV number, and go for pay now. Then payment page will appear and that will ask for your OTP will be generated, and you have to enter the OTP and you have to make the 100 rupees payment. Till here we will be completing the second step of your admission, that is submission of the form. Now the third step will be your final fees payment, okay, of the college. So for that, see you in the next video. I hope you have been understood how to fill the form. Take a very good care of yourself and your family. Bye bye. Take care.